Hello boys and girls, how are you? I hope you are doing well and ready to study. Today we have a revision lesson. In today's lesson, we will revise all the lexical and grammar materials for the Unit 8. Look at the screen. Then match. Cinema. That's picture C. What about theater? That's picture B. Park. A. Sports center. That's picture D. Skating rink. It is picture F. Market. Picture E. Now, please complete the map. Draw a sports center in 1D. 1D. It is sports center. Draw a park in 3B. 3B. It is a park. Draw a skating rink in 2C. Very good. Draw a cinema in 1A. Nice. Look at the pictures and answer the question, where do they like going in their free time? Your task is to make sentences. Picture 1. He is Бақытжан. Бақытжан likes going to the park. Now look at Жания. Жания likes going to the cinema. Look at Sanjar. Sanjar likes going to the skating rink. What about Қарлығаш? Қарлығаш likes going to the sports center. Congratulations, you did it! Now, look at the screen. Read and circle the right answer. Picture 1 and the first sentence. Is he riding his bike? Yes, he is. Picture 2. Is he fishing? Yes, he is. Now look at the picture number 3. Is he swimming? No, he isn't. 4. Is she flying her kite? No, she isn't. 5. Is it running? Yes, it is. 6. Is she going to school? The correct answer is yes, she is. You did a good job. Now, let's look, read, and complete the crossword puzzle. 1. Tidying. The children are tidying their room. Look at the picture 2. Right, listening. We are listening to music in my room. Look at the picture number 3. Sleeping. The babies aren't playing. They are sleeping. Picture number 4. Drinking. The cats are drinking milk. Look at the picture number 5. Eating. We are eating ice cream. Well done job. I'm very proud of you guys. Boys and girls, now let's revise possessive adjectives. I turns into my. You, your, he, his, she, her, it, its, we, our, you, your, they, their. You did a good job. We have revised possessive adjectives. Now let's practice. I have got a ball. It's my ball. You have got a ball. It's your ball. He has got a ball. It's his ball. She has got a ball. It's her ball. It has got a ball. It's its ball. We have got a ball. It's our ball. You all have got a ball. That's your ball. They have got a ball. It's their ball. It was a very good job. Guys, I'm very proud of you. You are so smart. In today's lesson, we have revised all the lexical and grammar materials for the Unit 8. The lesson is over. Goodbye.